First, let's start with a walk around to show you guys all the features of this unit. First, we'll start with the fluid end. 2000 series has the same Jetstream DNA as all of our other X series pumps. So it can be converted from a 5,000 PSI all the way up to a 40,000 PSI unit. Features the same PTO control panel as our normal X series driven by a belt system. When in a 5K multi-gun operation setup on this unit, you're going to be utilizing an unloader or a Jetstream regulator. This is much different than a bypass valve on our normal X series units. An unloader regulates the pressure and unloads the pressure when no one is on the gun. So this operation video is going to be good for 1 gun, 2 guns, 3 guns, 4 guns, etc. and will be capable of being used for any sort of job. We also have a heater on this unit. This heater has a maximum pressure rating of 5,000 PSI. Do not exceed 5,000 PSI when you're using the heater in this operation. If you want to bypass the heater, just take this hose off of the unloader and use this as the outlet to wherever you want to go if you want to bypass this heat. The inlet on this unit is a 40 gallon a minute filter pot with a 1.5 inch cam lock inlet. The water must be filtered before going into the 90 gallon day tank. The water must be charged to at least 40 PSI to make it through the filter and into the day tank. The day tank has a float that will automatically shut the water on and off depending on the amount of water being used. It features a drain on the bottom here, also a sight gauge to know how much water is in the tank, and a vent to keep the water flowing properly. Do not plug this vent. Standard on this unit is an EPS 400 BTU heater. In order to use this heater, click the switch on, adjust the thermostat to the temperature that you would like the water to be at, and the heater will automatically turn on and off depending on the temperature of the water inside. It does have a safety switch inside the heater, so it will only turn on when the heater is seeing water. So you must have the pump on in order to see the heater turn on. If you would like to test this heater, turn the burner on and then press these 2 buttons and you'll hear it kick on and you'll be able to test it.